Imagine a world where your words and actions align seamlessly, where trust and respect are your constant companions. Welcome to the transformative journey of living with integrity. In this exploration, we delve into the heart of authenticity, uncovering how integrity, intertwined with reliability, trust, respect, and self-worth, shapes not just who we are, but how we thrive in our personal and professional lives. Let's embark on this path to discover the true essence of being authentically you. In a world increasingly dominated by curated images and personas, the quest for authenticity becomes ever more crucial. It's a journey, not just to find ourselves, but to unapologetically be ourselves. The transformative power of authenticity is not just a concept, it's a lived reality. Consider the story of a young entrepreneur whose small startup flourished when she decided to let her true personality shine through her brand. Her journey wasn't just about building a successful business. It was about the liberation and connection that comes from being genuine. Authenticity in its essence is about being true to one's character, values, and spirit, regardless of the pressures and expectations of the outside world. It's about aligning actions with beliefs and feelings in both everyday life and at work. This alignment is not just a moral code. It impacts personal growth and career development significantly. Authentic individuals tend to foster deeper relationships, experience higher job satisfaction, and lead more fulfilling lives. However, the path to being authentic is often riddled with challenges. Societal norms and expectations can subtly coerce us into fitting molds that don't resonate with our true selves. There's also the persuasive fear of judgment, the anxiety about what others will think if we show our true colors, especially in a world where social media often dictates standards. In professional settings, balancing personal authenticity with the demands of a professional persona can be a tightrope walk. How do you stay true to yourself while fitting into a corporate culture or playing a role that doesn't naturally align with your inner self? The foundation of authenticity is built on integrity. Integrity is about being honest and having strong moral principles. It's about making decisions that are not just beneficial, but are right. In personal life, this means choosing actions that align with your values. And in professional settings, it means making choices that are ethical and fair. This integrity needs to be consistent across all contexts of life, whether someone is watching or not. However, maintaining this integrity can be challenging, especially when faced with situations that test our values or when there's pressure to act against our moral compass. Developing integrity involves daily choices and habits. It's about making small decisions that reflect your true self and standing by them, even in the face of adversity. Integrity strengthens relationships as it builds trust and respect. Real-world examples abound of individuals who have maintained integrity and authenticity. These are the people who inspire trust and loyalty and whose authenticity shines through in every action they take. To cultivate authenticity, it's crucial to understand oneself deeply. Self-assessment techniques like personality tests can offer insights into your core values and traits. Mindfulness practices encourage a heightened state of awareness and reflection, helping to understand and manage emotions and thoughts better. Authenticity also fosters through honest feedback mechanisms. Seeking to give candid feedback can help align our perception with how we are perceived by others, bridging gaps and fostering genuine expression. Implementing authenticity in personal relationships involves being honest and open with family, friends, and partners. It's about showing vulnerability and accepting others as they are. In the workplace, maintaining genuineness without comprising professional ethos can generally be rewarding. Balancing personal authenticity with professional demands involves understanding the nuances of different roles and contexts and adapting while staying true to one's core self. Addressing the challenges to authenticity involves strategies to overcome social pressure and fear of judgment. It's about building the courage to stand by your values and beliefs, even when they go against the grain. Consistently maintaining authenticity across different areas of your life helps in building a coherent and true sense of self. The benefits of authenticity authenticity are manifold. Authentic individuals are often met with respect and trust. This authenticity leads to personal fulfillment and professional satisfaction. Real-life success stories of people who have thrived by embracing their authentic selves are testaments to their power of authenticity. Trust and respect are the cornerstone benefits of living authentically. When we are true to ourselves, others perceive us as reliable and consistent, which fosters a deep sense of trust. This trust is not just about believing in one's words or actions. It's about feeling secure in the knowledge that they are presenting their genuine selves. Respect follows naturally, as people tend to admire those who have the courage to be themselves. In a world that often pressures conformity, authentic individuals inspire others, drawing respect not just for their achievements, but for their character and integrity. The journey towards authenticity is a continuous process of self-discovery, integrity, and courage. You must consistently align your actions with your true self in every sphere of life. The key takeaway is to embrace your unique self with all its quirks and colors. By loving yourself honestly and wholeheartedly, you reshape the world around you through that truth. You become respected in all spheres of your life and are able to make greater impact by inspiring authenticity in others around us. It's in this truth that we find our greatest strength and freedom. Thank you for making it to this point of this video. I appreciate you. I invite you to drop a comment below to share your truth. Please like, share, and subscribe to let me know you are enjoying my content. It means the world to me. Until next time, beloved.